Good morning, children. I hope everyone are fine, right? So, in the last class, we started exercise number 2.2, right? So, up to which main we completed? Up to sixth main we completed. In exercise number 2.2, up to sixth main was completed here. So, now we'll start with the seventh main. Okay? So, we'll start with the seventh main now. 2.2, seventh main. That is both the opening. Okay. Both the opening batsmen together scored a 2 by 3 of a total runs scored by a team. Okay. So, however, Irfan has scored the only 1 by 3 of what a opening batsman scored together. Okay. So, the both the opening batsmen scored a 2 by 3 of the run of the total runs. Okay. So, we will get a one value, right? From that is 1 by 3 of that run is scored by a Irfan. Then how many runs were scored by a Irfan alone if the total score of the team was 333? They given here. Okay. We have to find the runs scored by the Irfan. Okay. So first, before solving that, first whatever the things they given in a problem, you have to write that one. Okay. So given things. What are the given things here? The total runs. What are the total runs? Is equal to 333. Total runs is equal to 333. Okay. Next one is the opening batsman together. Okay. So the runs scored by opening batsmen. Opening batsmen. That is equal to how much? 2 by 3 of this total run, that is 333. Okay, so that is 2 by 3 into 333. Here 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are. So what is the answer? 222. Okay, so opening batsmen scored 222 runs here. Opening batsmen scored 222 runs here. Okay, next is Irfan scored only 1 by 3 of. Okay, the runs scored by Irfan. Runs scored by Irfan, that is equal to what? 1 by 3 of this opening batsman runs. That is a 222. He scored 1 by 3 of this opening batsman's runs. Okay, that is nothing but a 222. Opening batsman, the runs scored by opening batsman is 222. So that directly write here of 222. Okay. Next 1 by 3 of means into, that is equal to 3 ones are 3 sevens are 1 left 3 fours are. So how much? The runs scored by Irfan. They scored runs scored by Irfan, that is equal to 74. The runs scored by Irfan, that is equal to 74 here. Getting? The runs scored by Irfan is equal to 74. Okay. Let's go for the next question. 8-1. Okay. 8-1. Raghu completed 12 by 15 of Raghu completed 12 by 15 of his maths homework in a 30 minutes. Okay. So Seema completed 3 by 4 of what Raghu completed in the same amount of a time. Then what fraction of a maths homework did Seema complete in a 30 minutes? They asked here. Okay. So first right here. Fraction of maths homework completed by Raghu. Completed by Raghu. That is equal to how much? They given a 12 by 15, right? So next, fraction of maths homework completed by who? That is the Seema. Seema, that is equal to how much? That is the 3 by 4 of 3 by 4 of fraction of a Raghu completed, they say. Raghu completed fraction is 12 by 15, right? So in that 3 by 4 she is completed. Okay, so right here 12 by 15. Now 3 by 4 into 12 by 15. 4 ones are, 4 threes are, 3 ones are, 3 fives are. So what left here? 3 by 5. Okay, so write last sentence, therefore fraction of maths homework completed by Seema, that is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, so fraction of a maths homework completed by Seema, that is equal to how much? 3 by 5. That is the answer. Getting? Okay. Let's go for the ninth question. Ninth question is, a hill that is a 101 integer 1 by 3 meter in a height has a 1 by 4th of its height under water, and what is the height of the hill visible above the water? Okay, so there will be one hill is there. Okay, so here this is under a water, this is, and this one is a above water. Okay, so what is the total height of the hill? The given, which one it is? Ninth one, right? Okay, ninth one. Total height of the hill. Total height of the hill, that is equal to how much? 101 integer 1 by 3 meter. Okay. Next one is a height of a hill under the water. Under the water is equal to how much? 1 by 4 of 101 integer 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 4th height of this total height is under the water. Now we have to find the height of a hill above the water. Okay, so height of a hill above the water, that is equal to how much? Height of a hill above the water, that is equal to 101 integer 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 of means multiplication 1 by 3. Now do the simplification, you will get the answer. Okay, so that is equal to 3, that is 302 by 3 minus 1 by 4 into 302 by 3. Okay, that is equal to here 2 is 1, 5 are 1 are. Okay, so that is 302 divided by 3 minus 151 divided by 6. I'll do simplification. Next, here I will. Okay, that is 302 divided by 3 minus 151 by 6. What is the LCM here? LCM is 6. So here 2s are, that is 604 minus 151. So subtract here minus 151. What you will get? 4 minus 1 3, 10 minus 5 5, 6 minus 2 4. So that is equal to 453 by 6. We got a 453 by 6. Now convert it in a mixed fraction. For that you have to do the division. Okay. So 6 sevens are 42 and 3 left 3 and 6 5s are 30. Okay. 3 left. So what is that? 75 integer 3 by 6. We can cancel here also. 3 ones are 3 twos are. That is 75 integer 1 by 2. Okay. 75 integer 1 by 2 meter. It is the height of the hill above the water. What is the height of the hill? You have to write here. Last sentence. Therefore, the height of hill above the water that is equal to what? 75 integer 1 by 2 meter. Okay. 75 integer 1 by 2 meter. The height of the hill above the water is 75 integer 1 by 2 meter. Getting? Okay, fine. So next one is okay. Go for the next question, that is a 11th one. Fill in the box without actual multiplication with either greater than or less than. Okay, I'll do one or two less left after that. All that things you have to do. Okay, I will not do that one. So first one, I'll show how to do that one. 3 by 4 into 7 by 9, and here they given a box 7 by 9. Okay, so multiply these two. 3 sevens are 21, 9 fours are 36. Okay, so here fraction is there. Now we can cancel with the 3 value. 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 sevens are, right? So 7 by 12 and 7 by 9 is there. Okay, so don't observe numerator, we have to observe the denominator value. Okay, if the denominator value is greater and numerator value is the lesser, then that value is obviously it's a greater value. Okay, so what is the notation we have to use here? So this one is a greater. Okay, otherwise take a LCM for the both. Okay, if you want to take a LCM, take like this. 12 and take a 12 and 9, take a LCM. 3 4s are 3 3s are 4 1s are 3 1s are 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. 36 is the LCM here. So now it is 36 and here 3s are means it will become a 21, right? So here also 36 and here 28. So which one value is the greater? 21 is there and here 28 is there. First we have to convert both the denominator as equal. Convert both the denominator value as a equal. After that we have to get some values in the numerator. Check, compare numerator values. 21 is there, here 28 is there. Which one is the greater? 28 is the greater. That's why I am putting a sign this one. Okay, getting? So first, before comparing these numbers, we have to make both the denominator as a equal by taking a LCM. Okay, so we have to make these two as a equal, then only we can compare these fractions. Otherwise, we can't be compare these fractions here. Okay, I'll do another one. We will come to know that. That is second one. 5 by 3 into 3 by 7, and here 3 by 7 is there. 3 ones are 3 ones are cancel here. 5 by 7 and here 3 by 7. Both the denominator are same. Both the denominator are same. So don't worry, don't take, not necessary to take a LCM because both are same in the denominator. Then compare the numerator value. Here 5 is there and here 3 is there. Which one is the greater? 5 is the greater. So put the sign like this. 5 is greater than the 3. 5 is greater than the 3. Getting? Okay. So next one is I'll do another one. After that another 3 problems only. 8 by 7. Okay. So we can't do anything here. Take a LCM. 9 7 is 63 and here 88 and here 8 by 7. To make a 63, we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with the 9 and 9. So 8 by 88 by 63 and here multiply with the 9 by 9. Then 72 by 63. Right? So which one is the greater here? 88 is the greater. So this one is like this. If both denominator is same, then we can compare the numerator. If both denominator are change values, then we can't compare the numerator directly. So for that reason, make a denominator first equal. After that, compare the numerators and put the sign here. If it is a greater, greater than. If it is lesser, lesser than symbol. We have to use. Okay, another 3 problems you have to do it yourself. Now we'll go for the 12th main. It is a family photograph has a length 14 integer 2 by 5 centimeter and breadth is a 10 integer 2 by 5 centimeter. It has a border of uniform width, that is a 2 integer 3 by 5 centimeter. Find the area of the framed photograph. Okay. So 12th one, what they given here? 12th one, I'll give you an idea. So this is a one photo frame here. Assume this is a one photo frame. Assume this is a photo frame and this much is the border it is. Okay. It is a border of the frame. So here they given a length. Length is equal to what here? That is a 14 integer 2 by 5 centimeter. That is nothing but the 14 5 5 to the 22 carry 5 on the 5, that is 72 by 5 centimeter. Next breadth, write the breadth. What the breadth they given here? Breadth is 10 integer 2 by 5 centimeter. 10 integer 2 by 5 centimeter. So 5 tens are 50, 50 plus 2 is 52 by 5 centimeter. This is the length and this is the breadth we got now. Okay. So now we have to find the area of the area of this rectangle. This is in the rectangle shape, right? That's why because length has different and breadth is different. If both are same, then we can say that that is square. Okay, but here different values are there, length and breadth. So that's why it is a rectangle. Then what is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is L into B. Now do the multiplication. 72 by 5 into 52 by 5. Okay, that is equal to 5 5 is 25 and here multiply 72 and 52. 72 and 52 here. Okay. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14 plus 5 2s are 10. 1 carry. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 1 is 36. So 4 here and here also 4. 6 plus 1 is 7. 3. Okay. So what answer we got here? 3754 centimeter square. This is the area of the rectangle we got. But what we have to find here? Area of the framed photograph. This is a framed photograph, right? This one is a, yeah, this one full. Okay, this one is the area of a framed photograph. Means this width is how much? We given here. Given that width is how much? That is a 2 integer 3 by 5 centimeter they given. That is nothing but a 5 to the 10. 10 plus 13 by 5 centimeter. But for each side, see here, this is also 13 by 5 centimeter and here also 13 by 5 centimeter and here also 13 by 5 centimeter and here also 13 by 5 centimeter. That much we have to subtract here. But for that, we are having a this here. Like it will be repeat, right? See here, this is width is a 2 integer 3 by 5 centimeter For that, we have to find the area of photo frame, that is from length also we have to subtract that much, and from breadth also we have to subtract, and after that do the multiplication, that is area. This is the area of a rectangle we got. Now we want the area of a framed photograph. Area of a framed photograph, that is equal to length is what, 72 by 5 minus this 13 by 5, because in length also we have to subtract this length, right, and breadth also we have to subtract this much, because that is the will give a frame that time. Okay, so that's the border width. That's why we are subtracting that value. Okay, we want only this one inside this, that is area of a framed photograph, that is inside there, right? So this one we want. For that we are doing a subtraction in length also and in breadth also. So breadth is what, 52 by 5 minus 13 by 5. That is equal to 72 minus 13 is 72 minus 13 is 12 minus 3, that is 9, 7 minus 2, 59. Here 59 by 5 into, and here 52 minus 13 is 12 minus 3 and 39. 39 by 5. Now do the multiplication and write. 5 by 25. Now do the multiplication, 59 and 39. 59 into 39, that is 9 and 81, and for the 45, 45 plus 8 is 45 plus 8, 53, plus 327, 2 carry, 5 the 50, 17, 1, 10, 13, okay, so we got a 2301, 2301. So convert into a mixed fraction. Convert that value into a mixed fraction. That is a 2301 divided by 25. We can't divide with the 25, right? So here what we have to take? 23. Three values we have to take. 23 how much? So 25 how much? 25. 25, 8 right? So convert the mixed fraction and write. Okay, after that. This is the answer. 2301 by 25 is the answer. This is centimeters per. So this is the answer. Okay, after that do the simplification. Next one is, I'll solve the next one. 13th one. Or which one is the greater? Okay. 13th one. Which one is the greater? In that first one, 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Or first one I'll do, second one you will do. Okay. 5 by 8. Do the multiplication here. 2 by 7 into 3 by 4. What you will get? 2 ones are here, 2 twos are, means 3 by 14 we left. And here 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. 5 5 cancel, 3 by 8 left. Now we want to do the same. Denominator value is the same, that is 14 and 8. Take a LCM, 2 sevens are, 2 fours are, 7 ones are and 4 ones are. Okay, so 4 17 twos are 14, 14 fours are 56, right? So here 56, 14, 4s are, that is 12 here, or, and here 56 means 8 sevens are 7 7 is a 21. Okay, which one is the greater? 12 by 56 or a 21 by 56? Of course 21 by 56 is the greater, because both the denominator are same and numerator value you have to compare. 12 and 21 is same, means 21 by 56, this is a greater value. Therefore 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater. Okay, so So this side we got a greater, right? That is this one. 3 by 5 of a 5 by 8 is the greater value. Getting? So we completed exercise number 2.2. Next, in the next class, we'll solve the 2.3. That is the division of a fraction. Okay? Division of a fraction is nothing but a see here. 4 by 6 divided by 1 by 2 means whenever there is a division is there, 4 by 6, we have to write the multiplication sign and reciprocal of next number. That is a 2 by 1. Okay? If we use the multiplication here, then this convert to a reciprocal of this number. That is the division process. Rest other things are all same. Whenever there is a division, then write a multiplication and next number take the reciprocal of the next number. That is 4 by 6 into 1 by 2 is there. So we written as a 2 by 1. Now as the same we did in a multiplication, that is simplification, right? So same in the same way we have to do the simplification. That is the division of a fraction. Okay. So division is there means we have to write the multiplication and we'll do the reciprocal. Keep it in our mind. Rest all the things are same as the process of a multiplication. Okay. So we'll do exercise number 2.3 in the next class. Okay. Till that, be safe in your home. Okay. Thank you everyone.